Alright, here we are. We got claybird set up there to about 318 yards. All the way up that hillside. Just gonna take some shots with the Ar15 and the long range rifle here. We'll start off with the Ar15. I think there's two right there. Go for the top one. Aim even lower. There you go. So what it is, it's a lighter bullet, so it's hitting high. There you go. Go ahead and shoot it again, or take that second one out.
I'll take the second one.
All right. Go ahead. Bam!
That nailed it. That's a freaking awesome rifle.
All right, here we go. I'm shooting at the one on the push.
Hold on. No, Dave's gonna shoot. Dave's gonna shoot. Hold on.
See the third one up?
Okay. Watch up there. Watch up there. Watch.
Got it.
Where were you aiming?
To the left edge of it. Did you see it?
It's picking up pretty good. Yeah.
First shot. Right here.
No, little man. You gotta have them on.
Here we are, it's claybird. 318 yards. Try it with the AR first, and then we'll try it with the long range.
What did you do, Alyssa? Alright.
First shot.